use a screwdriver to pull the clip. As you can see that when the screw get inside here, it push on this clip, push it in, and then you will see that the right side pop up of the airbag. Then you can do it in the left side. This is where it's gonna pop up, and then you go at the bottom, and this is the place where it's gonna pop up. And once you do that, you can remove this plug by pressing and pulling, and then you can remove this plug from inside. You pull it, or you just use a plier. It doesn't pull easily. And then
Name one state that borders Canada. Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont.
I use a flat head to pull from this corner and the other corner,
Pennsylvania,
and
Ohio,
this one came up,
Michigan, Minnesota,
but actually
North Dakota,
before that
Montana,
I had this clip.
Idaho, Washington, Alaska. Name one state that borders Mexico. California,
So I pull this clip with a plier,
Arizona, New Mexico, Texas.
and then I undo this,
What is
and then using a
the
plier
United States? Washington, D.C. Where is the Statue of Liberty?
I
New
pulled
York
that
Harbor.
one.
Liberty Island. Also accessible are New Jersey, near New York City, on the Hudson River.
So once I pull it,
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
I use
There were
70 millimeter
colonies.
ratchet.
Because the stripes represent the original colony.
I hold it one side of the tire
Why does the flag have 50 stars?
steering wheel, and then I loosen
One
it.
star for each state. Because each star represents a state.